Hey, today we're gonna install Windows on a clean computer. First thing you're gonna do is plug in the USB stick with Windows on it and press the power button. Then, depending on your computer, you'll spam the F11 button. The thing that should be now appearing is basically your BIOS, where you're gonna select your USB stick as the storage device from where your machine is booted from. After selecting the boot device, the computer will boot and you'll be able to select the language. I'd always choose English. After, you're gonna select the language of your keyboard. Because I have a German keyboard, I'll be selecting German. But if you have an US American keyboard, please choose US American. After you're done, select Windows 11 or install Windows 11, since right now we're installing a fresh instance of Windows 11 and are not repairing anything. It should load a bit and you'll be able to enter in your product key. Your product key is the thing you buy in most cases or your friend has gifted you. The product key is made up of 25 characters, which you have to enter in without making any mistake. Next, you're gonna select the image. I always choose Windows 11 Home since I bought it. If you bought another version of Windows, please select it. This is because in some cases some people are extra fancy and buy, for example, Windows 11 Pro. If you bought Windows 11 Pro, then of course select it right here. After selecting, you'll be prompted to thoroughly read through all of the terms and condition and whatever from Microsoft. Please do that, read them, take notes. They are very, very, very important. After you've agreed to them, you'll be guided to a new screen. In the new screen, you will select the partition of the hard drive that you'll be using for storing all of your main files, your main hard drive. For this, you should always choose the one that is the fastest. And if you have only one hard drive, basically choose it. Do not choose your USB stick or something with less than 10 gigabytes right here, since Windows is quite large. This will, by the way, also be the hard drive that all of your other programs should run on. Now you're close to done. Just click on install and we'll wait for a bit. It often takes a few minutes to complete, but after, the screen should go black, reboot, and install percentage by percentage, slowly filling up to 100%, relaunching, and you'll be able to enter in your PIN. Now it seems like you're able to log in. However, Windows will shut down immediately. Your task is to spam F11 again to open the BIOS. In here, you'll again select not the USB stick, but now the hard drive you installed your system on, more especially the partition you selected. In most cases, your hard drive will be partitioned into two partitions. You should select the one that you installed the operating system on. You'll be able to select by pressing the arrow keys. Now Windows will do some stuff, update, and you'll be guided through a setup. First, choose your keyboard layout. The rest will be set up by Microsoft. You can name your device. I always name my devices after myself. The device will restart to store all of those settings, and from now on, your computer carries the name you chose. But wait, we're not done. Next, you're gonna wanna connect the computer to the internet. Connecting the computer to the internet is quite easy. You just plug in the yellow, or at least in most cases, yellow network cable in the back of your computer and in the back of your Wi-Fi box. It is quite easy because the plugs are the same for each side. After you're connected with the internet, you're able to sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, just create one. After you've logged into your Microsoft account, you'll be able to set a PIN and choose the privacy settings. I usually turn all of those blue switches off because I kinda value my privacy, though I'm too lazy to switch to Linux. After that, Windows will again load for a little bit, and you'll be asked to install a bunch of softwares. I'd suggest to just install the creativity stuff. If you have an Android device, you can now properly connect it with the computer to share images, calls, and whatever. Though I have an iPhone, so this isn't possible for me. There's other software though to accomplish it. Next, you're gonna just click on accept and again skip. Microsoft will try to install a bunch of bloatware. You don't really need it. Great, and now we're done. Next, you can set up Windows, which I also have a tutorial on. Please watch it.